Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Clever. So let's get started right away. In order to sign up, you will need to use your web browser. So open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in clever.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Clever website. Now from the homepage, in order to sign up, you will need to hover over to application partners. And now you will see the sign up for partners option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked to fill up your form. Just type in your first and your last name followed by your company name and enter your company website as well. Then enter your email address and your phone number, then choose the role that you have within this company. Finally enter the number of schools that you serve and then choose the kind of product that you are interested in. You also have the option to enter a small message if you wish. After entering all of these and filling out the entire form, click on the Get Started button and you will then be taken into the further sign up process where you will be allowed to choose your username and your password. After setting up your login credentials, you will be welcomed and logged in to your newly created Clever account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Clever. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.